didn't know you were there. What's up, guys? Welcome to my crib. So the first thing that I do in the morning is I look at my trade, and right now, check that out, we got the Bitcoin trade running. This is insane. 5,000, 6,000, 8,000, 3,000, 3,000. This is like 30 something G's. Now another thing, I just got a notification at this moment that we got a vlog. It's 7:45 a.m. that just has been posted. So I'm gonna share that with our VIP members. Another thing that I do after that is I look at my money in PayPal, and as you see, like, I had a bunch of payment notification. $49, $49, $49, $150, $49. Now, we're negative, so this is the lifestyle of an entrepreneur as well, right? Same thing as a Forex trader. A Forex trader is a business owner. I was expecting to see $800, $900, maybe $1,000, which is what we do every day. I needed to pay my support because I pay him on a weekly basis, $500. Now I cannot pay him, so that's part of the life of an entrepreneur. What is happening is basically someone opened a dispute. He say, I didn't get the service, blah 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 blah, in our funding program and whatever. So this is the life of an entrepreneur. Not everything goes as you're expected, but this is why we have a morning routine, right? This is exactly why we have a morning routine, because we don't let things like that mess up our vibe. If you know yourself and you think, oh, this is something that can affect me too much and mess up my vibe, don't look at it in the morning. Me, I can take it, that's fine. That does not happen normally. Normally we just see the money, so that's fine. Are you filming, dude? Look at that fucking candle! Woo! Let's go! A lot of water in the morning. I'm gonna take you to what I consume in the morning and all that. But first of all, my stretching and all that is not done. So this is for my feet. This is $50, $60, guys. This is some things that you can afford that can make your life way easier, that can make you way healthier. Another thing that I like is my massage gun. Pretty cool. So we're gonna do a tour of my house. First, we're gonna go in my kitchen and show you what I consume on a daily basis, but we can do exactly like they do at MTV Crib style tour. So this is not usual, so this is a little bit of stuff that I was trying. But first thing that I do in the morning that you always find in my fridge is some organic lemon, because let me take a cold one from the bottom. We'll keep it open. Organic lemon, we'll talk about it later. I have some blueberries, some raspberries, and sometimes some blackberries, some grape, These are basically the only fruit that I consume, and sometimes a little bit of watermelon, cantaloupe, and all that. Besides that, as you see, there's not that much. It's only sauces and all that. And I got some organic orange, organic peach. So yeah, these are the fruit that I consume: raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, grape, peach, orange, and that's it. Besides that, the only thing that I have is gonna be for my second shake that we're gonna talk a little bit later, and that is some unsweetened organic almond milk. All right, so this is for your blood. This is to clean up your gut. What I do, simple, just organic lemon juice with some Himalayan salt. I'm still fasting, so I'm not gonna add olive oil or avocado oil. But if I'm not fasting, I'm gonna add some oil to get more healthy fat.
How important is fasting?
From what I heard, it's the most important thing if you want to stay healthy and if you want to live longer. So I'm trying to, I always do 16 hours fasting, 18 hours fasting. I did one 24-hour recently. My last vlog, vlog 99, I failed doing a 24-hour fasting, but what you guys didn't see is 1 or 2 days later, I did do the 24-hour fasting. And it's just great benefit. I'm not a health advisor, so go do your own research, but go check that out. Usually what I do is even more simple, but this one is a black one, so he's like the black sheep. He's like not acting like everybody else, right? But everybody else, what we do is we put them some peanuts on a tree. I wanted it to be charitable, but this is not charity, this is profit. Ah, sheesh. Check that out, guys. We're about to hit 100K in equity. Check out all these Bitcoin trade running in profit. It's a live account. Now I know the balance is at 260. That's a account in the drawdown. I said I had my business partner and one of my friends that said, like, I'm about to blow this investor account, and I said, dude, I'm gonna get your account back in profit. It was about 30 grand or 40 grand of equity. We're just hitting 100K of equity on a live account right now. We made some profit in the past month, already 10K bank in the past month. Look at this, guys. 8 grand, 5 grand, 5.5 grand, 4.7 grand. These are all live trade. This is insane. Insane, insane. So we're gonna take that account from 30 to 40 G's of equity to over 260K, probably 300K USD of balance. And we're gonna buy our third Rolex, my third Rolex, and Nicholas is gonna get his first Rolex. He already got an AP. And we're gonna show you that, yeah, it is insane. That account should have never been in a drawdown like that. But we're gonna show you the journey. We're start of August 2021. We started this trade in June, end of June. We already made 60, 70K USD live profit on this account. By the way, you can follow and copy all our trade, all our signals, get all our analysis in our VIP membership. You can get coaching call from us, and we also have a funding program if you need funding. So yeah, we're gonna take back that account, and when we're in profit or at break even, we're gonna buy or sell a new watch. So follow us on this journey. doing $250,000 Bitcoin trade. Let's fucking go!
Look
at that 4-hour chart, that 4-hour candle. Look at this!
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, it's not done. Guys, look at the daily candle. You always want to look at the bigger time frame. Oh, wait a second. Look at the weekly candle.
Yeah.
You see that TP? That's the 50K that Andres called. It's 4 things, but there's really 2 that are the main thing. It's like I have my shake, like there's my green detox shake that is for my gut. It's a bunch of green, but for the energy, it's really, I have some protein, some whey protein or collagen. That is like regular stuff. That is not what's putting, you know what is protein, that's not that. Then we have MCT oat powder. That helps a little bit. Go do your research. A lot of people are taking it in the form of bulletproof coffee. I don't drink coffee, but today what I'm gonna do to replace what I don't have is that. So I'm just gonna basically do some bulletproof ghee butter with bulletproof octane fuel, OCT, MCT oil, and we're gonna put that in some hot water. But regularly I would add the keto collagen, the MCT oat powder, the BHB. Fortunately, I do have it in pills instead of the powder, so it replaces it a little bit because it's way better in powder. And the last but not least is the keto nootropic. This is literally legal drugs for your brain, all from herbal supplement, and it's literally a game changer if you want to be on a higher level. Not cheap though, not cheap. You need to be able to afford it.
So you, what did you think about Bitcoin and the other coins?
What other coin? You mean those shit coin? No, but I was basically, you know, the story of the BTC stuff, you know, I was telling that story that, like, I have Nicholas, for example, he didn't really believe that much in Bitcoin, like just a few months ago, right? Because he's a trader, right? So he's always looking for the best risk versus return, right? Risk versus reward. And basically, XRP and SafeMoon and Dogecoin, all these shitcoin, ultimate shitcoin, that's what they can get the best return, and they promise the best return and all that. So anyway, I told him that I was so confident in BTC, and this is what happened when you have a skill. I knew so much about what would happen with BTC because I consume so much podcasts and I listen to people that are not shitcoiners. They're not there to sell something. Like, they really speak from experience and knowledge and all that. That I knew, like, I know the level on Bitcoin. It's like technical analysis is not really important on Bitcoin. You can know the levels, like for example the last high and the last low and all of that, but the price will go to these levels, but it will not move because of the technical analysis. It will stop at these levels or consolidate at these levels because these are levels, but it's always fundamental that makes the price of Bitcoin move. And what is going on right now like the big blow up that where right now we're currently August 9. So if you look back in the past, you will see that August 7, August 8, August 9, Bitcoin was blowing up basically from like 39 G's to 46. Well, that's probably because of what's going on with Ethereum. So talking about ETH and the other shit coins, so like I believe in ETH. I believe you should have 80% plus of your portfolio in Bitcoin and maybe 5, 10 or 20% in ETH and other crypto. And yeah, so the story of Nick with the Ripple stuff, he was basically holding like some Ripple, and I told him like, let's get back this account with BTC. So that's pretty much that. And what's going on with Ripple? People want to know like basically what is going on with Ripple. It's pretty simple. Ripple is manipulated by the owner. Like 60 to 70% of the coin are owned by the owners, right? Which, by the way, the founder of Ripple is the same founder that founded Mt. Gox, the exchange that got hacked in 2013, or we're still not sure if it got hacked or they just stole all the money. And like Ripple will literally have people pump the price, so there will be a pump. Most of the time it's organic, it's because of a news, or there's some people, there's some YouTube content or whatever that goes viral, and there's a Telegram group that started being popular, and also the price of Ripple will pump when BTC pump, like all the other crypto. And it pumps, it pumps, it pumps, and then at one point, the owners, they sell their Ripple. They own 60 to 70%. If they sell just a 0.5% or 1%, it makes the price drop. And then it crashes again for multiple months. And everybody basically get wrecked because it's like all the other shit coin. Everybody start buying when it start to go up again. So, and obviously like when people are doing 2x, 3x, 4x on the Ripple, they're like, no, it's going to $10, it's going to $100, so I'm gonna hold all of it. That's pretty much it for Ripple and the shitcoin and all that. So the strategy, 80% plus in Bitcoin. And you know, I was saying that I liked Binance, for example, but with all the regulation it got in the past months and all that, I don't know if I like that much the Binance coin anymore. So it's like, okay, Bitcoin and ETH. Pretty much that so far, nothing else. And 80% plus Bitcoin, that's it. Alright, so another thing that I do in the morning is I make sure that my body is healthy. So we got the bed jet over here that I'm actually gonna turn off, but it's this thing over here that shoots air. So I basically sleep in a cold condition. So I'm gonna turn off that thing. Boom. We're gonna have a better sound. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off. As you see in Canada, we're supposed to be sunny. It's not even sunny. So I take this over here, and we got a timer of 25 minutes. Boom. And that is red light therapy. That is basically giving me energy. If we do have some sun, I will go and get some sun as well. There's my YouTube video that just started. That's, by the way, a blog that I did in November 2020 when Bitcoin was hitting his all-time high at 19K, and I bought confidently one or two full Bitcoin at 19K and told everyone that I'm buying at 19K, and that, let's fucking go, you should buy. So this is gonna be basically putting pressure on my feet and my leg to basically get the blood circulation going. So yeah, so now we got this blog and video that I've shared. The reason why I'm buying BTC now with everyone, like I've just showed you. So it's going very well, and as you see, TP is at 92,500 #auto. And we're gonna get this account from that's an investor account that was in a big drawdown. He said, can you do something with it? I said, yeah, man. Like, he literally made a big drawdown on GBP, GPY for like 6 months. As you see, minus, it's a live account. And we're gonna get that account back. We're already in profit. As you see, more than 30 something grand, and already bank a bunch of profit, 10 grand plus. What I do is I look, is everything all right in my VIP channel? We look at the signals, everything that I've been called. I'm gonna do a little promotion, send out a new YouTube video in our free Telegram channel. And right now we also got a new promo, a second kind of brand that we're like giving free stuff if you sign up with our broker. So make sure to check that out. Alright, so we're gonna go eat a little breakfast, which I don't do normally, but since I don't have the keto nootropic, so I'm choosing the Rolex Batman today. I need to fix the date, I know. I just bought a watch wonder. It's either this one or the Datejust with diamond all around the bezel, diamond in the dial, green emerald at the 4 hemisphere. Pretty cool. Both Jubilee bracelet. I'm gonna get a Coke pretty soon with the other bracelet. I don't remember the name. I'm gonna put I love Versace. Versace. Canadian passport. I'm gonna get more. It's always good. And yeah, Versace loafer, which I wouldn't normally put on, but now it's raining and all that. We're talking a little bit about network marketing. Ask me how. I love Herbalife. It's always there to remind me. Can show a little bit, like I got some of the suit that I never wear. I got like probably a dozen of suit and I always wear the same one. So one tip that I can give you, instead of spending $200 on 10 different suits, spend $1,000 on 2 good suits, or $2,000 on 1 insane suit. We got one actually that is crazy that I never wore. I bought it like a year ago. That's gonna be for a special occasion. And my favorite pieces are the Gianni Versace signature $450 t-shirt. Look at the beautiful color and all that. Got Fanny over there. And another Gianni Versace signature $450 t-shirt, $425 this one. People are always, well, is it fake? Is it fake? Well, you can know if it's fake or not by looking at the tags. It's insane that Versace is doing that. So we also got these simple white and black Versace embroidered logo. And lastly, favorite player that we didn't add the occasion to give him a last honorable game because of, you know what happened. So Vince Carter, the man. So let's go. That's pretty much it. You got the Rolex Batman. We're ready. The Oura ring. Make sure we're staying healthy. Versace ring. The 10x. The 10x rule. Don't be a little bitch. Champion dominate, baby. Who's got my money? Let's go. We're gonna go eat a good dinner. We're gonna check that out. go. Social media stuff. We got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I will get the money on Monday. Brother, it's another 5 days. Like, it could be at 53 by then. No joke.
Yeah, no.
This is how Bitcoin don't fuck around. It will probably hit all-time high before the end of August.
Yeah.
No joke. And that's gonna be great because we're gonna bank like fucking 50 G's. Already 10 G's banked. We're gonna bank 45 G's if it hits all-time high. And that is only 2 lots. We have 7 lots in total. So if we close the 45 G's plus the 10 G's, that's 55 G's, we're gonna have basically another 100,000 plus running when Bitcoin is gonna be at all-time high. And we're gonna keep those 4 lots at that point for another 100 G's, still 92,000 something. Yeah, so I come like from a part of the city that is called 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧 and I got a tattoo on my heart, 𝐉𝐨𝐬𝐧, but we were talking about with Andres, the cameraman. He's from Colombia. He say, I didn't know how to put gas when I got here in Montreal because there was always a guy at the pump. And I would say like, it was like that like maybe 10, 15 years ago over here. But I had a good story. When I was younger, I was hustling, you know, and now weed is legal in Canada. But when I was younger, I remember there was a girl, she was selling weed from the pump. She was the pump girl, and you could go there, buy some weed. I remember it was not just a one-time thing or she did it for months, if it's not years.
Yeah.
Bro, Bitcoin is gonna hit fucking 50 G's in that time. When Bitcoin is all-time high. Because we were talking about the laws of manifestation, and Andres was saying how he manifested what he got in his life, and he was saying like, you didn't know how it would happen, but it's gonna happen. That's the law of manifestation. But like, that's true, but as well you gotta plan. So now let's plan how I'm gonna make $1 million, right? So it's, first of all, what does it mean $1 million? You gotta break it down. That's $83,300 something per month, right? So 83K per month. Right now we're doing 30K with our service, with our funding program. We have a funded account that it's possible to do 10K per month. We got another investor account, we can surely do another 10K per month. So if we have a business doing 30 grand per month, 2 funded accounts doing 10 grand per month, that's 50 grand per month. There's still another 33 grand per month. So we need to figure out how to scale the funding program, scale the golden option maybe in Spanish, scale maybe our funded account so we have more capital, so we make more per month, and that's gonna be how we're gonna get to 83K. Also maybe get another brand or another income, another business, and that's the 83K. So I don't know what's gonna happen yet, but it's gonna happen.
It's going to happen, and this is going to be the proof. This is going to be the proof. In 1 year, we are going to see the video, and we are going to see it happen.
Exactly. 1 year later. Let's calculate together. 6,400, that's 12 grand. 9 grand, that's 21 and a half. Plus 3, that's 24 and a half. 27 and a half. 33, 36, 38 fucking $1,000. And yes, this is a live account. Yes. This is a live account. You can see the live, you can show everything. I don't care, you can see everything. And as you will see in our story and in everything that we're sharing, we are in a drawdown. That was an investor's account. You see minus 40 G's, minus 40 G's, all of that. That is 𝐉𝐵, right? There's right now, whoops, 18.45 buy and 18.45 sell. So that is called hedging, right? We're holding equal position on a buy and a sell position. The reason why we're doing that is pretty much because Nicholas has traded, you know, bad, to be honest. You don't want to do that. He took the investor's account and traded without stop loss on 𝐉𝐵. And if you see the first trade, it's literally on January 19. So it's been like 6 months that we were in a drawdown. This is what happened, guys, when you trade without stop loss, okay? Look at me, vlog. This is what happened when you trade without a stop loss, okay? Like, if it wasn't for Bitcoin, and look, it's not gonna happen all the time, right? Like, we could be in a crypto winter. We could be in a bear market, right? Now we're lucky, it's gonna be a good timing. We're gonna be able to get that account back at break even in profit with the Bitcoin trade. But if it wasn't for that, that account would have probably been gone. All the investors' money, 300 plus thousand US dollar, that would have been blown. Now we're gonna get it back. We're gonna have a second chance. We're gonna trade out on that account. We also have a funded account that we started at 260,000 pounds, and we're now at 274,000 pounds. So that is 5%. We're about to do a first withdrawal. So this is what you can expect, guys. We started on July 1st, about a month, and we did 5% in about a month. That's what great trader does, 4 to 10% per month. So calculate it, even if you have a $10,000 account, 4 to 10% per month, it's $500 to $1,000 per month. That's cool. You can invest a little bit in Bitcoin, reinvest in mastermind and coaches consulting course. You're not gonna become financially free with $500 per month, right? And not everybody got $10,000 balance. So you need a 6-figure, maybe even multiple 6-figure balance to live off that. You need prop firm, right? This is what happened with investor. It's hard to get investors' capital. You're probably gonna get less profit split. You're gonna have them contacting you, texting you, calling you, asking, hey, what is going on? Where are you? LoosenTrading.com/funding. We have 2 models at the moment if you want to get funded with a challenge evaluation or instant funding. We're always upgrading the shit. We're working on an app to make it better, on a member dashboard with all the stats and everything. We're always working on making everything better. Alright, so we're back to my house. Time to put a lighter outfit and the second watch. So we're gonna put the Datejust this time with the green dial, diamonds in the bezel and the dial, the green emerald. So yeah, so you guys didn't see, actually put that on as well for the next restaurants. So you guys didn't see, but we just did literally, like, my cell phone is plugged right there. Whoop, that is fine. But basically my cell phone is plugged right there, and I just went on a live for 1 hour, just answering questions, giving value. Then after that, I went in her stories for 30 minutes, posting a bunch of stories. We're still gonna do another 30 minutes when we get to another restaurant. I did about another 30 minutes at another restaurant. It's like legit like 2 hours per day of simply posting in the stories. That's not even the post. I have my team taking care of the post. So posting the post would be another 1 or 2 hours. So it's 3-4 hours when you have multiple Instagram accounts, multiple brands, just for us posting every single day in the stories and all that. That's not creating the content, and that's just Instagram. That's not if you had a Twitter account. We also do some YouTube stories now, YouTube posts, obviously the video on YouTube that we're filming right now. 𝐉𝐨𝐲 is editing a bunch of video. Like, there's a ton of work that comes into all of that. Now I need to figure out like the money problem that we talked about a little bit earlier as well. But we're not done. I'm going to show you my watch winder a little bit later as well, but it's like 4 p.m. We're not done at all. I forgot. So I like to put incense every single day. So now check out all the flavor that we got, or the smell I should say that we got. Namaste is a good one. I think we're going to go for Namaste. I got literally like the one that I put in the morning, like spiritual healing, positive vibe. Then I can go to like the meditation one. Then in the day like this, there's a karma or traditional one. And at night, you got like the midnight rainforest, all of that. So anyway, I got my little routine for that. And incense are fucking good, guys. Like, it literally puts you in a vibe. We're talking about that earlier. It's all about vibration. It's all about vibe. It's all about frequency. This is some higher level stuff that will explode your brain, but yeah. So we just got the inverter fixed with 𝐉𝐨𝐲. Thanks a lot for that. Now, we're just gonna hit a few reps to stay in shape, to get the blood pumping a little bit, you know. Keep the good bicep. Over here, and there's really the digital marketing stuff. We're like the heart of closing by Brian Tracy, like all marketers are liar. These are all classic. I'm not, maybe you can zoom in, I'm not gonna name all of them. This over here is about the money, right? Like the strangest secret, money master the game, which is how I want to call my ebook and my course. To me, Robin, please don't sue me. Think and Grow Rich, and a bunch, just a bunch of stuff. There's a lot, but I got the office over here, peaceful times. Sometimes too, I look at, I got this that my AD, my authorized dealer gave me last year. So this is the 2020. We actually need to go do a vlog and get the 2021. Yeah. But yeah, for the motivation, just looking at the beautiful Rolexes. Look at this. Ooh, rainbow! This is called a rainbow. This is a two-tone. This is a $150,000 to $200,000 watch. This is a fucking presidential right there. Like, look at this. Wow. Wow, with the champagne down. So just a few seconds can get you back on track. Look at this book. Look at this book, $100, 105 Canadian dollar, Poor Charlie Almanac. This is literally the business partner of Bill Gates. If you didn't know, well, Charlie Munger, but he called the book Poor Charlie Almanac. So didn't open it. What's up, guys? So it's 7:27. Check out. We calculated it's 38.5 grand US dollar. So I'm oddly. So this is gonna be legendary. I told you so. Who got my money? That's the US dollar that got my money. And we got a lot of pizza, a lot of carbs in. We got some ice cream that we didn't show you guys. We should have, but we didn't show you. We got some ice cream too. So, hey guys, live account. People are gonna say, what is the drawdown? Like I said, it's someone that had a drawdown on GPP, GPY. He had an investor's account. didn't put any stop loss on this trade, and we had to basically edge with a buy until we figure out when is the best time to close the buy, sell. And for now, we're gonna get that account back up, at least, you know, at breaking even, which is another 160 grand. We got 38.5 grand running, another 10 grand that have been banked in here, 10 grand profit on a live account, all from BTC. And when this is all said and done, that account is gonna be around 300K, gonna be $250,000 kid trade. Now, let me show you my other studio that we just built with Andres. To my crib. I didn't show you all my crib, so we're gonna do that. So this is gonna be the new office with 2 curved screen, 27-inch, pretty dope. Got my ClickFunnels quote. Let's have that ClickFunnels quote over here. My favorite quote. I've been asked that on a live that I did today. So, to each there come in their lifetime a special moment when they are figuratively tapped on their shoulder and offered a chance to do a very special unit things to them and fit it to their talent. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hours. It means that you need to be prepared when the opportunity comes so you can catch it. Some people are like, when I'm gonna get the money, when I'm gonna not, then I'm gonna make the change. No, you make the change first and then the result will come. So an example of my real life is I didn't have a lot of money to invest. At some time, I had some investing idea when I started with binary option in 2015, for example, before I know about Forex. I said, hey, this Amazon stock at $200-something looked very great, but I didn't have any money. I had $200, right? If I would have had hundreds of thousands of dollars, I would have made millions with just purchasing Amazon back then, right? But I work on my skill. I did the cash flow quadrant, and by 2020 I was prepared. By 2020 I started making 10, 15, 20, even $25,000 per month in personal income, but my living was still 6 grand per month, 7 grand per month. So the other 8 grand, 13 grand, 18 grand, I started putting it on the side, saved up over $100,000, bought myself this house, right? And then after that, started buying Rolex, started buying Bitcoin in November. So let's see that. So we got a second bathroom over here that I use for my washer machine and for my cat. Another bath over here, and I do some salt bath. And we got a bob right here that I didn't open, but the rest is, hey, what up, kitty? We didn't see you for the vlog. So this is kitty number 2. Well, actually kitty number 1. You good? You good? Say hello to my vlog. Yeah. And this is, part 1 of the gym. We have part 2. Boom. And we have, whoop. I was about to say part and a half. So that was the half. And say hello to Tupac as well.
Yeah,
we got Tupac. We got Bob Marley. I got Tupac somewhere else as well, but yeah, got Tupac, Bob Marley over there. So yeah, guys, let's go up. So I wanted to finish this vlog by telling you a few parts that you didn't see that goes on in my life. So normally I do a little bit more work than that. Obviously today we had the vlog, so I had less time, a little bit less energy to put on the work. I'm gonna start some new podcasts as well, so make sure to check that out if you're a 7-figure business owner, if you're a profitable trader, investor as well. Reach out, we can have you on the show. Follow both our Golden Option Trading Forex YouTube channel and The Boss Entrepreneur channel. And what else? What I didn't show you today, guys. A lot of work, a lot of work. I listen to a lot of podcasts when I'm not talking, filming, all that. I listen to a lot of podcasts on YouTube. This is where I get my information. This is something you didn't see today. And a lot of stories that you didn't see, but guess what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night today? Stories, 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 right? This is what sells, so I'm always grinding. So, whew. That was a hot one. Drop a like if you like this vlog. And that was really a hot one in all the terms. Gonna be called $1 million in 365 days. So I've basically always been telling myself that I wanted to be a millionaire before I'm 30, and now we're August 8th, 9th. My birthday was July 2nd, so a little bit more than a month ago, and I got to 29 years old, so I'm 30 in like 11 months. You can say that I'm a millionaire on paper if you calculate my business and all that. Currently got 6 figures of cryptocurrency, but I want to make $1 million of income in 1 year. I could be $1 million earner in 1 year. So that is my goal. Obviously not personal business income, not profit income, but that is my goal. So yeah, I'm gonna show you not just the trading stuff, but basically the cash flow quadrant. Like right, you're exchanging your time for money. You're an employee, then you go to self-employee. You're learning the skills for 1, 2, 3 years. I got to a business owner in 2020. Now I'm a business owner. I own a business. I have system and people running my business, and I started to become an investor in 2020, investing in watch and Bitcoin. So I made the whole cash flow quadrant, and I want to show you basically what it takes to be a business owner and an investor, because you see these Instagrammers, self-employee, all that, they show you how to be a self-employee, but being a 7- and 8-figure business owner, trying to get the 8 figure, that is something completely different.